What is the sound of short vowel I? And long vowel I? Yes. Now read the words. P, T, S, P, okay. Now read this word. P,
I pie, the I died, the I died, the I lie, cr I surprise, dr I sunrise, cr I the cried, dr I the ride, fr I the fried, l I the light, d I the died, d I the died, fr it no chop French. From I surprise, friend, fries.
very good. Down first word pie. P,
I pie.
tie,
D I die.
die,
D I die.
lie,
L I lie.
cried,
Cr I cry.
d, cried.
Cried.
Yes. Tried, tried.
D I tried.
Now write down dried. Dr,
Dr I dried.
fried.
Fr I fried.
Now write down next word. It is cries.
Cr I
Dries. Dries.
dr I dries.
Now write down next word. It is yes. Wait. Huh? Yes. The next word is died.
D I died.
Lied.
L I
D.
lied.
Yes. D. Lied. Now write down new word. It is tied.
T I
D. Tied.
died.
Now write down new word. It is French fries.
R A French. Fr I surprise.
Write down F properly, dear. Write down bin. Everyone,
No,
bin.
bin.
Now write down swim. 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 Now write down next word spin. Sp.
Spin.
Yes. Now write down new word. It is bit.
Bit.
Sit.
Sit.
Lit.
Lit.
Now write down new word. It is pig. Fig.
Fig.
Big. Very good. Down drill.